All right, we made it out to Doheny State Beach. Everyone's all beached out. They were at the beach. Get the firewood. Guys, you could pull that thing off and lift it up, and that's how you can get the firewood.
I'm trying to push this.
Yeah. So I just want to show you the little setup that we have right now. Here's a pop-up. Let me get a better view of it. There it is. That's our beds. So messy. And here's a nice little setup. Gavin and Shane are making it right now. Here's our kitchen. Our dining room table. Nice little setup over here. And then there's Chunko-Lunkos. Chunkos, you having fun? Not a blast?
Oh, the boys already put them.
Yep. Chunkos. Chunko-Lunko. Chunkos. Chunk. Hey. Que chulo. What?
We found it in the seaweed.
Oh, cool. Look at that. The baby crab.
Be careful.
Yeah. Ooh, that is pretty. Just stare. All right, welcome to day 2 at Doheny State Beach. Right now we're gonna go to the tide pools, and everyone's going. Cameron's sleeping, so hopefully it's a little bit of a hike. But the family's up there. It's a nice overcast day. It's about 66 degrees. It's a great day to be out here. We're also excited.
moms and my pops prove 'em that I am an average guy.
Alright, that's the cave that we need to go into. Alright, we made it. What's on the opposite side?
Another cave.
Another cave? Oh, just another little baby cave.
Yep.
Yep. Let's check it out, Emmy.
This is broke off. The insides are all gone. There's this gorgeous tail.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous. If it were only alive, it would be delicious to eat. Like this gorgeous. That would be really good. I guess don't to eat it. It's dead.
Yep, they are eating that loves.
We can't bring stuff back. I just want to play with it.
That's crazy. Found a starfish. That's pretty cool. Nora, Nora, see it.
It's like a toy.
It is like a toy. Let's see. That's cool.
Could keep it as a pet.
No, you gotta let it go back. I'll let you. Alright, welcome to day 5 here in Doheny, Dana Point. Shane and I are fishing on the pier. So lucky we haven't caught anything yet, but the kids are over here on Baby Beach. Cameron, Emery, and Shane and Mama. It has been a good trip so far. We're gonna go to St. Clemente Beach probably later on, but we'll see. And Shane and I want to catch some fish so we can be able to maybe eat for dinner tonight. So, but luckily we haven't had any bites or anything like that. So we just have to wait and see. But the views are beautiful. Look. You touched it? Oh, you went all the way up to there? Oh, that's cold, chunks.
This is having
Let's
fun.
go back. Graham, you want to go touch the buoy?
No, it will be a cute.
Yeah. No, are you going to go touch the buoy?
If you come with me.
I'll pass for now.
Because it's freezing.
Yeah, I bet you it is.
You should have brought a bucket.
No, you get that at the boogie board. Oh, did he fall?
Oh, she looks so nervous. It's okay. It's okay.
Did he run?
Child. She's like, all right, it's okay.
Are you making some holes, Shane Graham?
Hey, look what I made.
Yeah, a little putty pool for him.
No, it's a sinking pool.
Sinking hole for chunks? Go get him. Go.